Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to join this broken earphones. Follow the instructions step by step. First of all, remove the outer coating of the wire with the help of wire stripper or the paper cutter. Make sure not to cut the inside wires. Now separate the cotton threads and take a pair of scissors and cut all the cotton threads. Those are not required. Now separate all the four wires, red, green, copper colored wire and blue. Red is for mic, green and blue are for left and right, and golden is for ground. Repeat the process for the other pair of wire. Separate all the four wires and cut the cotton threads. Now we have both the wires ready. Now it's time to join them together. Take a soldering machine, put some solder over it, and take any one colored wire, place it over the tip. Keep it there for at least 4 to 5 seconds so that the outer coating of the wire is removed and the solder is stuck to the wire properly. Now do the same for all the four wires. At last it should look something like this. Also repeat the process for the other wire as well. Now both the wires are ready. Now it's time to join. Now we have to join the red to red, green to green, golden to golden and blue to blue. So place any same colored wire together and put the heat tip over the wire so that the solder is melted and the wires are joined. Do the process for all the four wires. Make sure the wires are stuck properly, otherwise it won't work. Now as you can see, all the four wires are joined properly. Now you can test this before applying the insulation tape. For insulation, I am using this heat shrink tube. This is 1 mm heat shrink tube. Place the heat shrink tube over the wire. Take a lighter, flame or heat gun and heat the heat shrink. Now insulate all the four wires. For the last wire, the wire was thick, so I'm using this insulation tape. Place the insulation tape over the wire and roll the tape carefully. So now all the four wires have been insulated. Now we have to cover the wire. Take the insulation tape, place it over the wire and roll over it. Make sure there is some tension inside the insulation tape to give more strength. It's better to use heat shrink and not to use this insulation tape because heat shrink tube will give more strength and it also looks good. Now if you have heat shrink, just slide the heat shrink over the wire, place it carefully over the top of joint, take a flame and heat the tape. Now you can see the difference, heat shrink looks good and also the strength is more. Now you can test and both the earphones should work properly. Yes, both the earphones are working fine. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below. And also make sure to check my playlist on how to repair earphones. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time.